This heat shrink connector kit from Wirefy bundles a wide range of terminal styles, so you can handle everything from quick automotive repairs to more involved marine or household wiring projects in one organized box. The assortment covers common wire sizes in the lower to mid-gauge range, making it practical for tasks like car audio, trailer lighting, and small equipment harnesses. Each connector uses a tinned copper barrel that grips the conductor firmly, promoting solid current flow and helping to minimize voltage loss at the joint. The heat shrink insulation contracts tightly around the crimp and has an adhesive lining, creating a seal that resists moisture, vibration, and corrosion far better than bare crimp connectors. Because the kit includes ring, spade, fork, puck, solder seal, and T-tap styles, you can usually find a connector that fits neatly without improvising or stacking hardware. Overall build quality is consistent across the large piece count, so you can reach for this kit repeatedly and expect reliable, professional-looking terminations.